Hello everybody and welcome to this English video lesson. Today we are going to study Module 1, Project Part 1. Let's read our objectives. 1. Read an email about someone's daily routine to answer detailed questions. 2. Identify the structure of an email about someone's daily routine. 3. Talk about your daily routine. Okay, let's get started with the first objective. Now keep your books closed and look with me here. This is a form of writing, my friends. And here is supposed to be the text. And up here, you can see it's sent from someone to another. So the question here is, what is this form of writing? Let me help you. Just have a look at this. Look at this ending. What does this ending refer to, my friends? Yeah, we've studied this before. This is an email. So this whole piece of writing, my friends, is an email sent from one to another. So that takes me to the second question. Who sent this email? I mean the sender. Which one is the sender here, my friends? The one comes after to or from? Excellent, my friends. You're smart. This is the sender, jimwilson@mail.com. It always comes after from. To whom? I mean the receiver here. And obviously the receiver comes after to. So this is the receiver, Kevin Parker. Now listen and tell what this email is about. Keep your books closed, friends, and listen just to know the main idea or what this email is mainly about.
Module 1. Project 1. Read an email Jim is going to send to a new friend.
Hi, my name is Jim Wilson. I go to Winston Primary School and I'm in Year 5. I always get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I have breakfast with my family. Then I take the bus to school. After school, I do my homework. I sometimes play tennis too. I'm very good at tennis. I always have a shower and brush my teeth before I go to bed. What do you do every day? Bye for now. Jim.
Did you get it, my friends? I think it's clear. Jim is talking about his daily routine in this email. And we already have a clue above here. The subject is my day. Okay, let's now open your books, page 13, to read this text. Here it is. This is an email sent from Jim Wilson to Kevin Parker to talk about Jim's day or his daily routine. And routine here means what he always does in his day since he wakes up till he goes back to bed. Now every one of you, my friends, is going to read this email looking for answers of these three questions. What time does Jim get up in the morning? How does he go to school? And what does he do before he goes to bed? Okay, my friends, now pause the video and read. Have you finished? Okay, check your answers with me. The first question says, what time does Jim get up in the morning? And this is mentioned here in this line. I always get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So our answer here is, he gets up at 6 o'clock. The second question, how does he go to school? And it's also clear in the text in this line. I take the bus to school. So the answer is he takes the bus to school or he goes to school by bus. The third question, what does he do before he goes to bed? Here he says, I always have a shower and brush my teeth before I go to bed. So this is our answer here. He has a shower and brushes his teeth. Okay, my friends, this is an email about Jim's day and what he always does in the morning, after school, and before bedtime. And this takes us to another activity in your workbook, page 9, activity 2. Look at activity 1 on page 13 in the student's book and complete the notes about Jim's day. So you're gonna read the text again, my friends. Here it is. And you're gonna write here what Jim does in the morning, after school, and before bedtime. Clear, my friends? Okay, now pause the video and do this task. By the way, you can answer with a pencil on your workbook or just underline the answers on the text. Okay, go ahead. Have you finished? Okay, let's do this together. What does Jim do in the morning? Well, this is all he always does in the morning. I always get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I have breakfast with my family, then I take the bus to school. This is all he does every morning. Okay, after school, what does he do after school? Well, he says here, I do my homework. I sometimes play tennis too. And before bedtime, he says, I always have a shower and brush my teeth before I go to bed. This is an easy activity. I hope your answers are correct, my friends. Now, my friends, we have achieved the first objective. Now you're able to read an email about someone's daily routine to answer detailed questions. Let's now move on to the second objective, the structure of an email about someone's daily routine. Let's now go back to our email and see how it is formed. Read this. Start your email with hi, hello, or dear. This is the first step to know, my friends. You start with hi, like this, or you can replace it with hello or dear followed by the receiver's name here. The second tip is finish your email with bye for now, like in this case, or see you soon, or just write love, okay, and write your name underneath, like Jim here. And I also have some extra tips here. After to, write the receiver's mail, and after from, write the sender's mail. And after subject, you write the title of your email, like my day. And when writing about your day or daily routine, it's good to start with some personal information, like your name, your school, and what year you went. After that, you start writing about your morning routine, and then what you do after school, and finally what you do before bedtime. Is everything clear, my friends? Okay, let's do this task. Fill in the following email with the given information. The first one is done for you here. To ali@mail.com. So this email is sent to Ali. I want you now to grab a pen and a paper and form an email using this information. Pause the video now and do the task. Have you finished, my friends? Okay, check your answers with me. As you know, in this space, we need to write the sender's email. Okay, I think this is the only mail in the options. Nawaf@mail.com. So this is the sender, my friends. We drop it here. What do you think the subject is, my friends? Excellent. My day. We drop it here too. Then, as we've learned, we should start the email with excellent. Hi. Then some personal information about yourself, like your name. My name is Nawaf here. And also, your grade is personal information, right? Like I am in grade 5. You need to drop it here too. After that, you talk about your morning routine. Like in the morning, I have a shower. Then I go to school. This also happens in the morning. And from here, we move to the after school activities. Like this one. After school, I have lunch. I think this is the only activity done after school here. So let's move on to the bedtime. Here he says, before bedtime, I read a story. Very good. And the last thing he does is going to bed. I go to bed at 8 p.m. And finally, as we've learned, we need to finish the email with bye for now. And the name underneath, Nawaf. This is the correct form of an email about someone's daily routine. If your answers are correct, so you successfully achieved the second objective. And now you're able to identify the structure of an email about someone's daily routine. What about you, my friends? Don't you want to talk about your daily routine? What you do in the morning? What you do after school? And before bedtime? Well, this is our third objective. I want every one of you now to think about your daily routine, since you wake up till you go to bed. Like this smart, nice boy. Think of all the activities that you do in the morning. Do you wash your face? Do you brush your teeth? Do you have breakfast? Do you go to school? And after school, do you do your homework? Do you watch TV? Or do you go biking? And finally, before bedtime, do you read a story? Do you pray? And what time do you go to bed? Let's read what our friend here says. In the morning, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast. After that, I go to school. After school, I do my homework and watch TV. Then I go biking. Before bedtime, I always pray and read a story. This is our friend's daily routine. Your turn now, my friends. First, think about your day, then start talking. And don't forget to record your voice and let your teacher listen to it. Now we're done with the third and last objective. Let me remind you of what we have done today. We have achieved 3 objectives. Read an email about someone's daily routine to answer detailed questions. Identify the structure of an email about someone's daily routine. Talk about your daily routine. We've come to the end of our lesson today. I hope you understand the lesson and achieved all the 3 objectives. Thank you for watching. Bye.